is Richard from Kaygo Dog Training, and I'm here with Brody. Brody lives here at the Ellington, and I'm about to take him for a walk, and I'm going to show you where are some good areas to bring your dogs over by Jack London Square. So here we go. So we're going westbound now over to Jack London Square, and here's Brody leading the way. Come on, Brody, let's go. Okay, well, here we are across the street from Jack London Square, about to cross the train tracks here, and to the right, once we cross the tracks, there's a few there's a few patches of grass, and we really don't want to go over there. There's not that many dogs in that area, and what we're gonna do is we're gonna cross the tracks here. We're gonna walk to the left, and there's a lot more there's a lot better areas to bring your dog. There's the patch of grass over here where the palm trees are planted. Don't really see any dogs around this area much, and I don't think they're allowed. But to the left over here is a pathway to some dog-friendly areas, I'd say. And there's a patch of grass up here that I see a lot of dogs play here once in a while. So, and Brody's eager to go there. Brody, come. Good boy. Stay. Alright. Yeah, so this is like the first patch of grass over here. And I found that it's pretty low key. Brody, come! And there's a couple more up here. And up a little ways, there's another patch of grass that in between. I think the apartments are called the Landing, and back here is Jack London Square. Come on. But I don't advise people letting their dog run over here, because it says a $500 fine for doing so up here on this area of grass. So yeah, just walk on by on leash. There, gotta take this thing down. At the tan and terracotta apartments called the Landing, about to take Brody off leash in this area, and at 5 o'clock every day I heard that there's supposed to be a small dog group in this area. It's next to the bay here, and you can see Alameda on the other side. And yeah, and here's Brody's chance to get off leash again. Brody! Brody, come on, let's go! Come on! Brody! Good boy, go, go, go! Brody, come! Brody, come! Good boy. you also have the bay. See a lot of birds. Diving for Go, Brody. Brody's not a water dog. Maybe he is. Oh no, Brody. Better get going. Alright, come on, Brody. So now we're heading back. That's pretty much what I know. Actually, there's another area past down more that I can show you later on. But yeah, Brody would like to say thanks. Thanks to all of the viewers, and he would like to say thanks to Tim for letting him up the elevator every day. Why don't you say so, Brody? Brody, come on. Get over here, Brody. Good boy, Brody. Good boy.